XU photoelectric sensor is easy to install. Select the mounting bracket adapted to the situation. Then, fix the sensor with the 2 screws supplied with the bracket. Setting the sensitivity is easy thanks to the potentiometer, the yellow output status LED, and the green stability LED. First, set the potentiometer to the minimum value. Then, put an object at the expected sensing distance. Finally, increase the sensitivity until the output status changes and the green stability LED switches on.